Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making an easy weeknight meal because it's school now and nobody has time for really elaborate meals. We need something super easy and quick. Usually my mom will make this in the morning before she goes to work, and then we cook it quickly before dinner. We have the peanut sauce already made. It is just super easy. We are making chicken satay with peanut sauce, a super delicious food that is just going to be such an elevation from your like typical chicken dinner. Okay, so let's just start over here with the peanut sauce. Super simple. We're just going to go in there with some peanut butter, soy sauce, coconut milk, chopped peanuts, some sriracha for some heat, and some sesame oil, the juice of half a lime, and we are just going to mix this together until it comes fully combined. Okay, now it's all combined, looks perfect. We're gonna set this aside and let's make the marinade for the chicken. So over here in my bowl, I have some chicken that I cut into some thin strips because we're gonna be putting them on skewers. Okay, so we're just gonna add in here some coconut milk, which is gonna be the base of our marinade. We're gonna go in there with some soy sauce because we want some of the similar flavors going on in both the marinade and in our sauce. We have a little bit of brown sugar, which is going to help with the browning, so we get some caramelized action. We have some turmeric for some great color and flavor. Then we're going to grate up some ginger and garlic. Okay, next up we're going to take a little bit of cilantro, which I call the most controversial ingredient because either you hate it or you love it. I love it. My family doesn't like it, but too bad, guys, because it's going in. All right, so we're just going to chop this up and add this straight into here. And we're just going to give this a nice mix up. Make sure that the marinade is fully combined and coats all of the chicken because we really want the color from the turmeric, the flavor from the soy sauce, the brown sugar, really everything. You want everything to coat the chicken so we get nice color and some really nice flavor. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this, put it in the fridge with this. I'm going to let this marinate for about an hour until it fully gets all the flavor in there, the color in there. I suggest you could do this the day before. You could do it the morning before if you're making this for dinner, but an hour is like a good minimum spot, which will get the color in there and also the flavor. So if you have short on time, do an hour, but if you've got time, you could do it overnight. You could do it whenever. All right, I'll see you in an hour. Okay, so it has been an hour. Our chicken is marinated, and now it is time to put it on skewers and grill it. It's super quick. So we are just going to grab a piece of chicken. Over here, I got some wooden skewers, and we're just going to feed the chicken onto, not feed the chicken, I feel like that's like a weird terminology for this. We're gonna put the chicken, piece of chicken onto here. There we go, place it onto our plate. Okay, so now that I finished that one, I'm just gonna repeat it with the rest of my chicken. Okay, so I just did about 6, which is a perfect amount for me right now. I'm gonna go over here, and on my stovetop, I have a grill pan that is preheated on a medium-high heat. Now actually, before I do this, since I'm using a grill pan, I'm just gonna add a little drizzle of oil just to make sure we don't have any sticking because we don't want that. And then I'm gonna add on my skewers of chicken. Oh, hear that sizzle? That's what you want right when you put it on. All right, those are sizzling away. I'm gonna let those cook for a few minutes per side until they get nice charred marks on both and it's fully cooked on the inside, and then it's eating time. Okay, our chicken looks great, and look at that amazing color on there. Oh my God, that is exactly what you want. All that color is from the turmeric. All right, here we go. Look at all those beautiful char marks. The last thing it needs is just some of this peanut butter sauce that we made right over here to dip it into. Let's move this aside, and look how delicious that looks. All right, I'm just gonna take, which one should I take? I'm gonna take this one, which looks so good. You see the steam wafting off. It has those charred bits on the outside. You can see the little pieces of cilantro that was in the marinade. You could see the nice charred bits, which is why we add in that extra brown sugar that really helps with the charring. Let's just dip it right in that peanut butter sauce. All right, we wanna make sure got a lot of that in there. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, this is easily the most succulent and soft piece of chicken you will ever have. Marinating the chicken in coconut milk really infuses a lot of moisture in there and just makes it so soft. You cook it quickly, and I don't know if you can see on camera, but you'll see when you make it at home. It is so delicious, so soft. The flavor of the peanut butter sauce and the little bit of spice from the sriracha, the soy sauce, it all just comes together into an amazing bite that you guys are seriously gonna love. This is an elevated version of your classic weeknight chicken dinner. This is definitely a winner chicken dinner, like Guy Fieri would say. This was awesome. If you guys want the recipe, the link to it is in the description box below. If you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos, and hit that like button if you love chicken. I mean, everyone loves chicken, so you should all be clicking that like button. Comment down below what your favorite winner chicken dinner is, and yeah, this was super great. Okay, I'm gonna go finish eating all of this chicken, if you don't mind. Thanks for watching. Bye.